Hello. All right.
We're having a party.
Yay. You guys submitted to me your favourite weird food combinations. We've already done one, but this is a follow-up with Mr. Stuart Ashens, indeed. And in fact, I have the first one sat delicately on my lap.
Oh my God, you really do. Man, that's about to fall off.
This is cucumber dipped in melted chocolate. This was from Janet, who is from Horsham. Apparently it was a pregnancy craving.
Oh, okay.
So,
okay,
something I will never, we will never experience that in our lives, a pregnancy craving.
Well, you say that, but if you watch the Arnold Schwarzenegger backed documentary Junior, you never know. Do you like the idea of this? Because I don't.
I mean, I like chocolate. I feel like you could put chocolate on nearly anything and it would be passable. But cucumber, I'm not a massive fan of, and I have cut this exceptionally thick.
Yeah, I don't mind a doorstop of cucumber.
At first, I was like, "Oh, do you know what? That actually works really well."
Then it just turns into cucumber. Yeah.
I feel like I've sort of started by eating something really unhealthy with the chocolate and then drinking some cucumber water.
Yeah.
It's kind of like fused slowly down like a journey. I don't hate it.
It goes. It doesn't kind of clash, which I'm surprised with. It kind of works together, but I wouldn't say it's great.
No. Right. Pass or fail?
I think it passes, but only just. It's like a C minus.
Needs more chocolate.
Yeah, and less cucumber. Oh well, you live and learn, Barry.
If I break down on the car on the way home, get a puncture. Cucumber tires. Okay, next one.
Ooh.
And this is from, I think your email is Luna Face, so I'm going to say your name is Luna. Oreos with sour cream taste like cheesecake, apparently.
There's something about this that is setting off an alarm bell in my head, but we'll try it.
It's creamy and delicious. I saw it on TikTok.
Oh.
There we are. Is that the new thing? I saw it on TikTok, so it must be true.
True, yeah.
So we take, this is some fresh sour cream from a very big Tesco's near Stuart's city. Massive place. I think this is going to be amazing.
It does taste a bit like cheesecake.
That's because normally if you like bash up an Oreo and mix it, I think if this was cream cheese rather than sour cream, it's got that little bit more tartness to it. Like you can do a no-bake cheesecake, literally whiz them up, but we're using our mouths to whiz it up. Like we're eating. I like that.
We're both eating the rest. That's got to be an easy pass.
That's probably a very good sign for judging whether we like it or not going forward. Right here there's a brand called Primula. They do different flavoured tubes. So I think it's cream cheese mixed with something. They have a plain one, they have a chive one, I think tomato. Now, I thought I'd pick the most interesting one that they do, which is prawn.
Cheese and prawn.
Yeah.
Together
cheese
at
and
last.
Shrimp, cheese and prawn.
Yeah.
This is from Alex. Ginger biscuits. So ginger nut biscuits with the Primula cheese squeezed on top.
Did they specifically recommend cheese and prawns, or is that a Barry twist?
It was just a Barry twist, but this is from America as well, so this brand is obviously big over there.
Oh, I didn't know that.
As a poor, hungover student with very little food in the house, this was a revelation. I still crave it from time to time.
Whoa.
I'm very uncertain about this. Okay, ready? Should we just do a little...
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That's immensely appetizing. But you would not expect that to be cheese and prawn. Okay.
I've not actually tried this on its own before.
I haven't, no.
Should we try that first, just to give it a bit of fairness? It's like a toothpaste tube.
Oh my God, that's immensely prawny.
Yeah.
I think this may torpedo the taste sensation, but we shall see.
Ginger prawns.
I'm sorry, Alex, we may have destroyed your beauty.
Yeah. Why the heck does that work?
I do get the feeling it would be better without the prawn.
Yes, there is a slight waft. I don't know why I like that, but I do.
It's the prawn that's put me off, that one. I didn't mind the cheese and the prawn on its own, but with the ginger, it's a bit...
The cheese one, the cheese and chive, probably better. But I think, in a way, the ginger, like biscuit, the flavour is so strong with ginger, right? It just comes in and goes, boom, here I am. And just carries the rest and kind of like dilutes and adds moisture. Moisturises the biscuit. And yeah, I quite like it.
I think it's a pass. But for me, I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt with the lack of prawn.
I'm going to say pass.
Okay. Pass it is.
Coming in next is, this is a tuna and marmalade sandwich.
Do you like tin tuna?
I don't mind it. I like it mixed with anything. So marmalade is a thing.
It is.
Tuna and marmalade sandwich
Yeah.
From Ruth Sharman and Paul Diaz. It's actually an old friend's favourite. I don't like it. Lol. So they don't like it, and you want to see us try it. Brilliant.
Do you like marmalade?
Yeah. Do you like marmalade?
No.
Do you like tuna?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, gosh.
All the neighbours' cats are at the windows now.
Yeah, it does smell very cat foody. Do you want some more marmalade on there?
That'll do me, thanks, Barry.
Yeah. The bread might help here. It generally might bypass everything and just be like, yeah, taste of bread.
Okay.
Oh, that's weird.
That's weird. Oh, I hate marmalade. Me.
What? It just tastes like sweet tuna. Yeah, and it's almost like the bread is a distraction that's not welcome.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I would enjoy this on its own. I don't.
The truth is out there, folks.
Yeah. Oh. I don't know. I actually had quite high hopes for that in a way.
Oh.
Like pulled pork vibes.
You were hideously wrong, Barry. I'm going to eat a lump of tuna to take the taste away.
Oh. I'm afraid that's probably the worst yet, isn't it?
That's a fail. That is our first fail.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Okay. Next up, we have a Mars bar
Okay.
with hula hoops. This is from Emily Smith.
Specifically barbecue beef hula hoops?
Yes, apparently so. Thursday, my grandma would visit us and bring me a Mars bar, but I'd find it too sweet to eat on its own, so I'd mix a bite of Mars bar with it, a couple of crisps. Beef hula hoops were my favourite to do it with.
I don't know if I misinterpreted that, but I think her grandmother was called Thursday.
I think it was the way I pasted that into the spreadsheet. That
Okay.
I've got.
That's so
Got
interesting.
Very complex spreadsheet to make this event happen today. It's been a great party.
Ain't no party like a spreadsheet party.
No. Do you remember they used to be able to fit on your fingers as well?
Yeah, they're smaller now and your fingers are bigger.
It's crazy.
What a world.
I was only 2 at the time.
You'd have to be for how small they are these days.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Look at this. This is like an advert.
Oh.
There you go.
Is that glue or actual Mars bar?
Initial seasoning of the crisp is quite strong, but then it just gets blown apart by the Mars bar. That works because basically it's drowned out the crisp.
Yeah.
I could see why if you hated the savouriness of it, just cover it in chocolate, a little bit like the cucumber, just dunk that in there. That's fine.
Yeah.
I actually quite like it.
It does overtake it, doesn't it?
Crisps and potato chips in general with chocolate was actually quite a popular feedback to the form that I put out. Very, very common. Like Pringles and things, milkshake fries from McDonald's in the milkshake.
Classic,
yeah, all that sort of stuff. But there is that very sweet and savory. That is extremely sweet contrast. So you're not really tasting the beef hula hoop there, but...
Yeah, that's a definite pass from me.
Yeah.
Definite.
This one,
Digestive biscuit.
with mayonnaise. I think this is going to be fine. It's going to be a bit odd.
I'll take your word for that.
Gosh. Right. This is from Ellie.
Okay.
Mayonnaise on digestive biscuits. But now she's putting brackets I've just seen. Not loads. Whoops. Sorry. An ex introduced me to mayo on digestives, and I have no idea why I like it, but I do. Haven't had it in years, though, because it's not exactly healthy. But we've just had the crisps and Mars bars.
Yeah, we're fine with this.
Yeah, from Glasgow you are. So thanks. Cheers, Glasgow. I like that.
Yeah.
It's a bit more tart than I thought it would be. I thought I had sour cream on again for a minute. Because the biscuit is mellow. It melts in the mouth. But then the mayonnaise just kind of hangs around and goes, hey, where's the burger? Where's everyone else gone?
And they do kind of go.
Yeah.
They do kind of go together.
That works.
Yeah.
Tell you what, my diet's changing.
It's entirely digestive and mayonnaise based going forward.
Okay, next up, I reveal to you Maltesers with onion ring crisps.
I mean, I really like the aesthetically pleasing way they sit inside them.
Not sure that's the serving suggestion. This is from Shannon. I don't like it, but my husband loves it.
Fair.
I love onion ring crisps. There's something about them, very Moorish, aren't they?
They are.
And Maltesers are amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm totally down with all the constituent ingredients.
Yeah.
But together...
I'm wondering if like the crunch of the Malteser filling, which is similar in texture to like the crunch of the onion ring, isn't
that's
it?
a fair point.
Whether they're going to sort of like merge.
Yeah.
But chocolate and onions, should that be a thing?
Oh.
I tell you what, do you not like that?
No.
I like that.
Oh, no. I did not do... Oh.
Oh, really?
There's something about the mix of the chocolate and the onion that's quite unpleasant.
Oh, I think I maybe didn't get enough like onion to it. I think the chocolate for me cloaked it, and it kind of made the crisp a Malteser turn into like a mega Malteser, where the crunch of the Malteser was like the crisp, and it was onion.
Yeah, I'm going to have to eat one of the onion crisps on its own to take the taste away.
to take the onion taste away.
No, the mix was not good for me.
Really? Oh, so you're a fail?
That is a definite fail for
and
me.
I'm a pass for that?
Pass. Yeah, a hard fail.
Oh.
Nope.
Right, this is 3 items mixed, and this is from Zonk Ford on your email, all right? Tikka masala paste.
Okay.
Mixed with Nutella.
Oh!
And mayonnaise.
This does not sound good. This sounds bad. This sounds like he's just trying to kill us.
This was someone discovered this working in a cafe. And it's messy.
He discovered it on the floor. So basically, curry paste.
Yeah. No, this is covered that over. And some Nutella. Oh, look at that. You could serve that at a restaurant and be like, wow.
Be arrested.
Let's see what this does.
Does it make people sick?
Well, I don't know. We've got to try and break down this Nutella a little bit.
Oh, yeah, that's going to be hard, actually.
Oh,
no, it's happening.
Yeah, it's going like korma coloured, isn't it?
Yeah, the oils in the curry are destroying it or something.
I'll try it off of the one we just mixed it with. Oh, my gosh.
That's not good at all.
Oh,
it was not like absolutely terrible. It was pretty bad.
tastes like I don't know, curry fell into a cake.
It should have stayed there. Oh, there's a sort of weird tang that the chocolate is.
And the grittiness of the paste.
The more I try that, the less I like it, actually. It's weird. The sweetness that you get first is from the curry.
It's really, from the curry. Yeah, I'm not tasting the Nutella at all.
No.
The paste is strong.
I get a little chocolate tang right at the end.
At the end?
Yeah, but it's not pleasant.
I don't know if I hate it now. I've had a few tastes of it.
Yeah. Oh, no, that's a pass from me.
Pass?
Yeah. I mean, a fail. Yeah. Oh, God. I was thinking as in pass. I don't want any more.
No, definitely not. Yeah. Right. Okay. Fail.
No.
Maybe if you got the ratios different, no.
Yeah. No. There's no need for it. It's an unnecessary condiment.
Want a Malteser?
Yes.
2 more to go.
Right.
Right here is some bread. We're going to make a jam sandwich.
From my point of view, I can just see strawberry jam and bread. I'm
jam
fine with this.
However, we're having them with wotsits. These are jumbo ones.
Just to say giant wotsits.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just the pairing of fruits and cheese is really nice, and someone I met in primary school used to have them in her lunches.
Oh.
Hey, do you want some jelly with your wotsits? Nostalgic things are coming back to me now by doing this. There's something nice about a jam sandwich. It's a lot of memories for me. However, let's stick it on there. A jam wotsit sandwich. Yeah, I think the jam will mask the wotsits here.
I'm hoping so.
Yeah. Do you like wotsits?
Yes.
You like jam?
Yes.
I don't like wotsits.
Oh God, mine's stuck to the glued to the plate. Right,
Okay.
I'm going to go into the middle because that's where the.
Did you get the 3? Yeah. Sorry. Good crunch. You know what? I'm not getting any cheesy taste whatsoever.
I was about to say that. The crunch is all you get.
Yeah.
The jam has entirely diffused the wotsits.
I think it just shows how much sugar is in jam. How it's just like, don't worry, I got this. I feel like we could have put that with
cheese. No.
The ginger nut with the primula now with that. Just put that on it. Fine.
Yeah, it's just a crunchy strawberry jam sandwich.
Yeah, I was getting vibes with the onion rings and Maltesers again with that. However, I think because the jam is, maybe being more spreadable, manoeuvrable, and a lot stronger in sugar. Basically it's fruit and sugar, isn't it?
Yes. I suppose it is a pass, isn't it? Because it's not completely pointless because of the texture, but it just adds a crunch.
This has been our lunch today.
It genuinely has. That's not even an exaggeration.
Well, we're going to finish with one that I personally am going to struggle with. However, I think a lot of people will actually like this and can probably sometimes get it in a ploughman's or something.
Oh, okay.
Well, I've got to say, Stu, thanks for coming to this party with me.
That's all right. We've got the cheese board now.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is red grapes, walnuts, and blue cheese crumbles from Ginny.
But is this a weird condiment? That's just on a cheese board anyway, isn't it?
Is it?
Grapes and walnuts.
I don't really like cheese boards. So
yeah, I think so. I'm not a cheese board fan.
Do you like blue cheese? The sweet and savoury flavours, the textures, it's just so delicious.
I have a feeling this is like a known this is a thing. Isn't it?
I think
it's
it
a
is.
thing on a cheese board.
Yeah, it generally. But I was like, do you know what? I have never ever had a cheese board in my life.
Really?
Well, one, I don't like it, but two, I can't think of anything worse than after having a starter and a main and being like, what do you want? Sticky toffee pudding, chocolate brownie sauce. Oh, can I have a cheese board, please? Can I have some more? Hit me with some more savoury. Yeah. I've never got that, and I get that. I get that.
Of bland.
Yeah. Well, please, more stale crackers and some cheese. How many cheese boards have you had in your life?
None. No, I mean, I've got nothing against them in theory, but like they always come after a meal.
Yeah.
It feels like it should be a starter or something.
Yeah. It should be a starter, definitely, or like a little nibble, which of course this is. But like a cheese board, I've never got the understanding of it. I just
no.
We are the anti-cheese board club. I can't stand blue cheese. This is horrendous for me. However, I love walnuts, and the pop of the juice from the grape I think will be okay. Oh my word.
Yep, that's blue cheese.
Look at that.
Remind everyone what the blue parts of blue cheese are, Barry.
Smurfs. Blue mould. Yeah, blue mould, full fat, soft cheese.
I do love some mould. I'm sure people get the idea of a walnut, rancid cheese. It's already stuck to this grape.
Oh, that is disgusting smell. How can... It's like socks. Oh, have we got a glass of water nearby or anything? Oh no, we've got a lot of random food.
Yes.
Right, if I dive for the Maltesers onion rings...
Just mouthful of just pouring the Tikka in your mouth. Here we go.
Oh my god. Oh. It slid around the grape. Oh god, that's disgusting. Thank you. The taste of the...
No, as you could probably tell, I didn't dislike it as much as Barry. But,
it just stayed.
Yeah, I'm not a massive fan of the blue cheese in that sense. I thought it's like a 3 or 4 out of 10 for me.
The walnut did nothing. It might as well have not been there. It was literally a battle between the grape and the blue cheese. I liked it because the grape was hanging in there. The burst of the juice of the thought was there, and then it suddenly went, see you later. I'm out of here.
Enjoy this blue cheese, Barry.
Yep. And then the cheese started to go around, I guess, the texture of walnut and the grape. I'm so surprised I didn't bring that up.
No, that's for me, that is a fail. Definitely. Right. And I'm pretty sure it is for you.
Yeah. I think if I've got to conclude, that is the worst one we have done.
Wasn't the worst one for me.
No?
I think the worst one is probably the curry and chocolate.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, I'd say there was something in that. I reckon we could play around with that and make it still disgusting, yeah. As a favourite, there were some obvious ones for me, but I think the one that stood out that I was a bit surprised by for me was the Malteser and the onion ring. I genuinely thought that was okay. Because I felt it tasted like I expanded that malty honeycomby filling. It's like, oh.
Yeah, but then you had this weird aftertaste of onion.
Yeah. So what was your favourite then?
Chocolate cucumber. Chocolate cucumber. And the Mars and barbecue stuff was good as well.
Yeah, a tuna and marmalade should never be together, I don't think. Very separate sections of the supermarket.
Yeah,
Let them.
Would you like some blue cheese and marmalade? The answer to that is no.
Do you know what?
Oh no, what have I done?
I've come all the way to Norwich.
To eat mould.
Stay there, Jam, stay there. That's gone. Oh. It's gone. Oh.
Yeah, it did go dry to the end.
The jam goes.
I was then going to say, oh no, the jam's lasting a moment, but then just as I was about to say it, oh no.
I think blue cheese, the texture, the creaminess, it's just like, I don't mind. I'm just going to wait here till the end. Everyone goes. It's kind of like the last person in the nightclub. I'm staying here. Yeah. The jam was holding on. It was like, yeah. And then, ooh. Well, that didn't work.
No, it didn't, did it?
No. Brilliant. Thanks, guys. We'll do one more extra bonus one for Patreon. Cheers, Stu, for letting me attend your house and provide you with such nourishment.
Not at all. Thank you for bringing these unpleasant foods and making me eat them.
Can we play musical chairs now?
Yes. See my chicken impression, Barry.
Oh, that's amazing. Where's Stu gone? I genuinely thought it was a chicken.
Hello, I'm a chicken.